welcome to YouTube channel. So in this channel I will explain why I am making this channel. Okay, basically this channel is designed for the 12th CBSE board IP 065 students. Okay, so main focus is 12th board students for IP subjects. Okay, so 50% of at least 40% of syllabus is from database management system, and most of the questions are asked from the database management system, very simple topics. Okay, we already explained some of the topics in a previous video. We have discussed about the save point. Okay, so in this we will see how save point works, what is the use of save points, and how we can score marks. So these are useful for the 12th board examination students also, and all competitive examination students can also use that. UGC NET student, GATE examination students, BTech students, BCA students, PGDCA students can also use these videos for their references. If you have any doubt and if you have any suggestions, please write in comment box. So in previous video we have seen that what is the use of rollback, save point and commit. Okay, what is the use of rollback? To undo the command. Okay, if I want to undo some transition, we use rollback command. Okay, to fix our transaction we use commit command. Okay, save point is used for making some points up to that point I can roll back. Okay, so basically we use rollback, commit and save points. Okay, so here we can see with example how rollback and commit is used. This is a question paper of 2018, so CBSE uploaded in CBSE sites only. So this is downloaded, and the question is class table has columns roll number and name. The following statements are executed. Set auto commit equals to 0. Insert into class values 5 Raju. So this value is inserted here. 5 Raju is inserted into the table. Okay, so class table, name of the table is class. Okay, and he has two columns, roll number and name. Okay, so one value is inserted, 5 and Rajiv. 5 and Rajiv, and after that I have written commit command. Okay, so here it is written commit command. Commit means what? This transaction is fixed. Okay, suppose we are working in any bank. Okay, so for the whole day I have done some transaction, and at the last before going to the home I want to make it committed. Okay, so if I will write commit, all transaction will be fixed. Okay, after writing commit no rollback is possible. Okay, so after writing commit, if you will write rollback, it will not affect our transaction. Okay, so if I want that I have done last five transaction as wrong, so I want to undo last 5 transactions from this session only, so I can write rollback. Okay, so if we have written commit means this statement is fixed, 5 Raju is fixed. Now this line of code will never be affected with the rollback command. Okay, because it is written committed. Update class set name equals to Rajiv 5. So it is already set. Okay, insert into save point A. Now this is save point A. Okay, this is save point A. Insert into class values 6 Krish. Okay, insert into class. Now in class value we are inserting new value. After that we are making save point A. Okay, after inserting that 5 Raju, I am writing save point A, and after save point A inserting new value with 6 and Chris. Okay, then after we are making new save point B. So this is new save point B. Insert into class values 7 Feroze. 7 Feroze. Okay, now select star from class. Okay, so it will give me select star from class. It will give all the values. It will give all the values what? 5, 6, 7 Rajiv, Krish and Ferozi. So output will be that in this line, if I will write select star from class, so it will give me 5, 6, 7 Rajiv, Krish, Ferozi. The same thing will be in output, only A and B will not be there because this is save point. This is our imagination. There will be save point A and there will be save point B. So this will be not displayed over there. Okay, now here I am writing roll back to B. Roll back to B means what? Up to point B I want to be roll back. I want to undo our transition up till point B. Okay, so for point B this will be roll back, so it will be removed. Okay, after that, after making output, after writing that select star from class, if I will write roll back to B, so B point will be roll back. Now if I will write select star from class, now this time this will be displayed on the screen, roll number, name, 5, 6 Rajiv and Krish. Okay, so this will be final output. Okay, so what will be the output of both the above given selected statements? So in previous video, previous select star from class, it will show 7 Firoze, but for last select star from class it will show this only. Okay, so first it will see 7 Firoze. Okay, this is for first select star from class, and at the second time when we write select star from class, it will print like class, roll number, name, 5, 6, 7 Rajiv, sorry, 7 will be not there, 5 and 6 Rajiv and Krish. Okay, so this will be final output. This is output of first select statement and this is output of second select statement. So in this way we can use the concept of rollback and commit. This is very simple statement. If you will look the video of rollback in and commit, you will be easily solve that question. So everything has been explained practically. So if you will go through the practical approach, it become very easier. You have sufficient time to prepare yourself, so try to prepare yourself practically. If you will go through practical approach, if you will execute all the commands, if you will create the table, you insert the table, you will update the table, and you will work on the Oracle software, so your syllabus is going to be very easy for you. So this will help you at the exam time. So you don't need to learn many of the things. You have to just practice on that and easily you will grab the answer. Okay, so it is going to be very easy for you if you are going to practice on that. Okay, so database management system is very easy if you are making practice on that, and you can score more marks on database management system or in that IP subject. If you will give correct answer, you will get 2 marks. Okay, so you cannot have 1.5 marks or 1 marks. So if you have given correct answer, you will give correct marks also, so you can score maximum marks. So please go through that. Okay, now go for the next question. Okay, now let's go for the next question. Next question we are taking from character function. Okay, in previous videos we have discussed about the character function. So question of character function is, so this is question of character function. Okay, asked by CBSE in 12th board. Okay, question is, consider the following table: furniture, write SQL command for the statement 1 to 8. So the table has been given, and according to the table we have to prepare the SQL command. Okay, accordingly we have to prepare SQL command and write output for SQL queries 9 and 12, and we have to write the output of 9th and 10th also. So here we will see how it is possible. Okay, and just look at that. First, this is F code, name, price, menu, F date, manufacturing date, and this is W code. Okay, so first question is to display F code, name and price of items that have price less than 5,000. Okay, write a SQL command to display F code and name. F code and name and F code, name and price. For that I will write select. For that I can write select F code, column name is F code. Okay, so I can write select F code, comma name, comma name, comma price, comma price. Okay, so I have written select F code, name, comma price. Okay, just read it again. Select F code, comma name, comma price from table name furniture, that have price less than 5,000. Okay, so where, for that we will write where after that I will write price is less than 5,000. Okay, so this will list the F code, name and price of the item, okay, whose price is less than 5,000. Okay, so less than 5,000, it is going to see me the F code, name and price of item less than 5,000. So it is going to show me these two values. Okay, so it is going to show me these two values. Okay, practically we can write an SQL command, and if we will write same command, it will give me output like this. So on this approach we can solve the question. Okay, second question is to display names and price of those furniture items that have table anywhere in their names. Okay, so this is use of wildcard. How we can use wildcard? We have learned about wildcard. Okay, where table name as name, table name has the name table. Okay, so here we can see the table name. Yes, table name, where we can see it is table name. Two times we have used table. Okay, so anywhere table, which are used anywhere table. Okay, so we have to display name and price. For that we can write select name, comma price from furniture, name comma price from furniture, okay, that have table anywhere furniture where e name like where e name like what percent table percent. Okay, so it can contain table at beginning, at the end, okay, at the middle, but it must contain table, okay. After before table it can contain any number of character and any character. After table it can contain any number of character and any character. We have seen the meaning of percentage, okay. So in this way we can find the output, okay. So it will give me these two lines, okay, and it will give me name and price, okay.